Today I want to cook a fluffy and hearty cabbage pie with you, which goes well with tea, coffee, as a snack, or with first courses. Finely shred 600 grams of cabbage using a knife or any method you prefer. Cut it into thin strips, then chop across again. Both young and regular cabbage work perfectly for this recipe. Transfer the cabbage to a deep bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt, and gently massage it with your hands until it becomes soft and juicy. Finely chop 30 grams of green onions and 20 grams of fresh dill. Add the herbs to the cabbage. Do not drain the cabbage juice, it will make the pie juicy. Mix everything evenly. If you're using young cabbage, you can skip the massaging step. Line a baking pan with parchment paper. My pan size is 20 by 20 centimeters. Spread the cabbage evenly without pressing it down too much. Leave parchment paper edges on the sides. This makes it easy to remove the pie later. Now let's prepare the batter. In a separate bowl, crack 4 eggs, add half a teaspoon of salt, and whisk well until the salt dissolves. Add 150 grams of sour cream, 15%. Add 2/3 teaspoon of turmeric for a beautiful color. Pour in 40 milliliters of vegetable oil. It can be replaced with melted butter. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It improves the texture, makes the crumbs softer, and removes any strong vegetable taste. Mix everything well. Combine 100 grams of flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, sift it in, and mix until smooth and lump-free. Preheat the oven in advance. A smaller pan works best. The smaller the pan, the taller the pie. Pour the batter over the cabbage. For simplicity, you can mix everything in one bowl and then transfer it to the pan. Smooth the surface and gently make small indentations so the batter reaches the bottom. Sprinkle the top with sesame seeds. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for 40 to 45 minutes. Check with a wooden skewer. If it comes out completely dry, the pie is ready. The cabbage pie is soft and easy to slice, golden and appetizing with a beautiful crust. The top is slightly crispy thanks to the sesame seeds, adding a delicate nutty aroma. Inside, the pie is tender and fluffy, with plenty of juicy cabbage evenly distributed. It holds its shape well and tastes great both warm and cold. Perfect with tea or as a hearty savory snack. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. See you next time!